anyone who just tuned in, you guys missed a whole amazing song by Michael Rosas, who is one of my very, very favorite musicians. So it is such a treat. I sound like a kind of an... I sound both grateful and like an asshole right now. But it's such a treat for me to be having him do a live set on my show at my parents' house right now. Pinch me, dreams come true. Okay, what are we going to hear now?
Okay.
Wait, wasn't that something, the Scared Smile? Didn't you and Rob used to do
Scared
Smile? What
yes.
was that?
Well, it was a smile, but when you're scared. Like if somebody was holding a gun to your head, but they were like, smile! You'd go, something like that. I've never actually seen what it looked like when I did it, though. I could probably...
Now you know. I want to see the other things you want to see.
I could probably work on it now. Now that I see it, I think maybe I could tweak it a bit.
Right. That's actually how I learned to raise my eyebrows individually, by sitting in front of a mirror.
I can't do that.
You can't?
No,
if you sat there for long enough, you would be able to.
Watch, I can do it. Oh, wait, that's both.
Just do this. Amazing!
Oh, it works. That's good.
Yeah. Also, unrelated, but tangentially related, I think one time I might have shown you guys the picture I have of
Thank you, Marcus.
Dracula and Frankenstein, the hip-hop Dracula and Frankenstein. One half of it right here from Halloween that year.
What's up?
That was like my favorite Halloween costume that you guys did.
Halloween.
That was really good. Have you ever topped it?
No. That was
the pinnacle.
My best Halloween ever.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Because
I was there. And then also, now the memories are coming back. I remember that you were insisting on walking around saying fun is P1.
Fun is P1.
And I was like, what does that mean?
That's corporate speak. P1 is priority one. And fun is P1. Well, the message is clear.
Right.
Obvious.
But I just didn't want that to be the thing that we had to say or agree with.
Well,
I know you were mocking it in a way.
No way, man.
Also, they are all, many of them are all aware of Rosenating.
Oh, Rosenating.
And I think you might have coined the term Rosenating. Did you? Do you know?
Well, if I didn't, I was in the room when it was.
Right.
I don't remember who exactly came up with
Right.
It. You may have.
No. Maybe. I don't know. But see, I always thought that it had a negative connotation.
Mm.
But then Rob, who might have just been trying to curry favor, said, no, it can be a fun activity. Which, I mean, yes.
Oh, sure.
You don't think of it as a negative, nervous, sort of ruminating kind of thing?
Oh, no.
Thank you. What do you think of it as?
Well,
Tell
I
me.
think Rosenating is... You could compare it to when your car's engine is running.
Right.
Okay. There's nothing necessarily good or bad about the engine running. It's just running. Now,
just me blowing off steam out loud.
If the engine runs and you drive your car to get a nice tasty cup of ice cream, then it was good. But if your car is running and you run it right off Spyglass Hill into somebody's mansion pool,
right,
then it's negative. So it all depends on where the Rosenating leaves you. That's what I think.
It generally never went anywhere good. In all those years where I was Rosenating on the phone with you guys, or in person, or in various different places, locations, I don't think it ever went anywhere good.
Yeah, it always ended with sort of like an awkward, well, you want to get coffee tomorrow? Okay, yeah, I'll just talk to you later. Okay.
I know. Yeah. Years of that, you guys. Okay, now what do we hear?
Oh, another tune.
Okay, yay.
Let's see. I'm not going to spend too much time trying to get this perfectly in tune. Is that okay?
That's okay. There is a piano if you want me to tune to it, but that might be out of tune.
Oh, no.
Okay.
That's just too professional. Let me see. I'm playing a little lighter, so I don't know if this is going to...
Yes, how's the volume?
That's a little flat. Let me see. That should be alright. Whoa, what's that? All cars eat gas. They do. Let's just get that one. That's nice. Okay.
I like it.
Alright. Can I kind of relax a little bit on this one?
Yes, you can.
Can I sit back?
Do whatever you need to do.
This nail's a little in the way. Okay. upstairs to make her bed, and not a word to her mother said. Her mother, she went upstairs too, saying, "Daughter, oh daughter, what's troubling you?" "Oh, mother dear, I cannot tell. It's that railroad boy that I love so well. He's courted me my life away, but now at home he will not stay. There is a place in yonder town, that railroad boy goes and sits down. He takes a strange girl on his knee, and he tells to her what he won't tell me. Her father, he came home from work, said, "Where's my daughter? She seems so hurt." He went upstairs to bring her hope, but he found her hanging by a rope. She was Rosenating too much.
I was gonna say,
He took
sad,
his
yeah.
knife and he cut her down, and on her bosom these words he found: "Go dig my grave, both wide and deep. Put a marble stone at my head and feet, and on my breast a snow-white dove, to tell the world that I died of love." That was Railroad Boy.
I like that.
That's an old song. I didn't write that one.
Who wrote that?
I don't know.
Someone happy.
I don't know. It's old.
I like it though.
Whoever wrote the old songs.
That guy.
Yeah. Or gal.
No, guy. Now what?
I don't know. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, I have a sort of request, but I don't know if you play. Do you play this Freaky Slow Dance anymore?
Oh, I have.
I know that it's not really an acoustic song.
Yeah. Well, I could try to play it.